Imagine the last time you were browsing through your Instagram page, liking your friend's post, commenting on them, and suddenly you saw an ad from a famous shoe company. Our discount sale is on. Why don't you try our new shoes? And you are like, oh, I just want to buy a sneaker. Let's look out. So you go to the website of the company by clicking on that ad, and then you browse the products. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you don't. You end up buying some. This is a usual routine in our life. All of us keep on browsing for the products on different websites. Sometimes we make a purchase, sometimes we don't. But for data analyst, the picture is much bigger than that. So today we'll discuss about funnel analysis and how data analyst uses each of your steps taken on the website, convert it into different stages of the funnel, and comes with insights for the product team, sales team, finance team, operations teams. So in this video, we'll not only talk about sales funnel, I will also give an example of how Uber uses funnel analysis to hire its drivers, which is its key process. So let's start. So what is a funnel? Funnel is simply a customer journey, a series of steps which a customer takes when customer makes a purchase. There are majorly 5 stages of the funnel: the awareness stage, the interest stage, the preference stage, the intent stage, and lastly the purchase stage. So let's discuss all of these stages one by one. Firstly, the awareness stage. So basically, when you reach the website, you are in awareness stage. You have landed upon the website. Now the data analyst is looking at your data. Maybe they will like you to become a member so that they know more about you, whether you are a male or female, what is your age, which area you belongs to, so that they can know who is our customer, who is actually aware of our products. Second stage is the interest stage. In this stage, you will start looking out for some of the products. You will find out whether you want a sneaker, whether you want a jogger, or whether you want a formal shoes. This is where data analyst will work and find out which type of customers are looking for which type of shoes, and they will create a repository and understand the customer behavior in that case. Once you have searched for the products and you will like some of them, right? So you will start adding them to cart, and you will add 1, 2, 3, some, because normally we add more than one product to the cart. We'll then decide when we'll make the purchase. Once you add the product to the cart, this is the next stage of preference stage, where data analyst will now know out of those 100 products you searched, there are 5, 7 which you liked, and this they will generalize over the different type of customers and create a customer profile also. Also, they are looking at whether you revisited your cart later on, whether you made your purchase in one go, or whether you took 2-3 days to make your purchases. The time spent in each of these funnel stages is also very important to them. Next stage is intent stage. You go to your cart and you're now looking to buy. You click on the buy button. Now you're looking at whether I'm getting a free shipping, any discount code is available or not, whether you apply a discount code, whether you are looking to buy through a credit card where discount is available. All this is getting recorded in your database. Data analyst will use later on to analyze your data of purchase. And once you complete the purchase, this is your purchase stage where you have completed the purchase. Now data analyst and the company will look for any reviews you give, was this returned, and those things. So data analyst basically works like a detective, with a magnifying glass, tracing the whole customer journey, the time spent by the customer, the number of people who dropped out in each of the funnel. So suppose, there are 100 people entering into the funnel. That means the awareness stage, the website page. The next stage where they start searching is only 30. That means there is some issue with your website. Maybe the website is not, your search button is not visible, or the products which you are showing on the website, they don't like that. So this is the type of analysis a data analyst do using the funnel analysis by analyzing each of the funnel. Let me give you one more example. Suppose data analyst finds out that female customers who comes to the website, search for the product, 75% of them are not actually adding anything to the cart, whereas in case of male, only 25% are not adding to the cart. That means either our designs are not suitable for female, or there is some other issues in our product. Data analyst will give this data to product team, and they will start working to improve the customer journey for female customers. Funnel analysis can also be used to test the new product features which we keep on launching. Suppose the website has just launched a new payment gateway which will reduce the customer cost. Suddenly data analysts realize that the people who are making payments are facing 30% more issues than the previous payment gateway. Data analysts will reach out to finance team and product team and ask them that sort out this issue, we are losing customers. Let's do a recap. It allows companies to develop a data-driven product roadmap, right? The data tells where the problem lies in the product, whether the people are just coming on the website and going back. So that means the initial outlay of website is not very good, or are they not able to make final payments. So data will drive your product design, product features. This will in turn make your customer journey smoother. So company will be able to give a very smooth customer journey which keeps on improving with every visit of the customer using this data. And what does all this do? It adds to the top line of the company, right? Revenues. Happy customers makes more purchases. So in the starting, I promised you that I will also talk about importance of funnel analysis in other domains and give you a real world example. So here is that example. Uber, famous ride hailing company. What is their most important operation process? They have to hire drivers in bulk, because if there are no drivers, there will be no taxis and there will be no revenues. So they have a beautiful funnel design for hiring drivers, which in brief starts with driver going on to the driver app and registering on the app. Once the driver is registered, driver will fill the form and upload the required documents. Uber has a very stringent background check processes. So they will check each of the documents uploaded by the driver, and once that process is complete, either the driver will get a go ahead or they will be asked to either upload more documents or will be said no. If they get a go ahead, they will be registered in the app and their driver account will start, and then once they complete the first ride, the whole funnel is deemed to be completed. This funnel and this process, which is divided into multiple stages, is very important for Uber, and they keep a track on each stage and how many people dropped out, the time of each stage. Suppose background check is taking 1 month, that is too long of time, so they will like to improve it. Suppose document check process is taking 2 weeks for the drivers, so maybe there is certain issues with the product design which is not allowing the documents to be uploaded. So they may find some other way. So this way, they keep on improving their driver hiring funnel, which allows them to have enough number of drivers at all the time. So now you understand why funnel analysis is so important and how crucial a role data analyst plays in product improvement, customer retention, and customer happiness. So comment in this video and tell us whether these videos are helping you in understanding more about data analysis technique, and if you are interested in more such interesting video about different aspects of data analytics, please comment.